Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado ice cream using Kremdensada. Prepare 2 ripe avocados, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 cup cream, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Peel and pit the avocados, then blend them until perfectly smooth. Add condensed milk, cream, and vanilla, and mix until incorporated. Chill the base briefly so it sets better in the Kremdensada. Then churn and check texture before freezing to firm up. Gather your ingredients and prep your station before starting. Slice avocados, measure cream, and have condensed milk at hand for seamless blending. Chilling the bowl and utensils helps the Kremdensada work more efficiently and reduces churn time. Blend the avocado until no lumps remain, then fold in the cream and condensed milk gently. Taste and adjust sweetness or vanilla, remembering small tweaks make a big difference in final flavor and texture. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making recipes you enjoy. On another note, the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long prep and cleanup sessions, with a leak-proof lid and easy carry design that fits most cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if you want a handy kitchen companion. Now let's get back to the video. Start churning in your Kremdensada once the base is well chilled and smooth. Keep an eye on the texture and stop when it reaches a soft serve stage to avoid over-aeration. Scrape the churner sides and transfer the ice cream to a shallow, airtight container for even freezing. Smooth the top and press a piece of parchment to prevent ice crystals. Freeze until firm, then scoop and serve with citrus zest or toasted nuts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.